Most beginners open every layer one by one, looking for expressions. There's a much faster way to find them all, plus two extra tricks that make managing them a lot easier. When you're working with a complex composition, it's easy to lose track of which layers have expressions. So here's how to spot them fast. Look at your timeline. Any layer with an expression will show its value in red. That's your signal. No need to open anything yet. Now select the layer and double press E on your keyboard. This instantly reveals every expression on that layer. Select all layers first with Ctrl plus A, then double press E, and every expression in your entire composition appears at once. Now here's the third trick. See that small equals icon next to the expression? Click it to disable the expression without deleting it. The value turns white, expression is off. Click it again to turn it back on. Found this useful? Subscribe. Next, animated arrows in After Effects, perfect for pointing to exactly what you want viewers to see.